here is a further methods in making your own multi-core cable. You can refer to my previous episode for the making of this, and now is a further upgrade. This is a more complicated method. Here is the 9 number of core wire cable, and I removed the shield. There's the PVC shield there. This is another pieces. This is 4 pieces coil cable. I will combine them together to make a single pieces cables, which includes totally 13 pieces wire, and I will add one more wire there inside there, so total piece is 14 pieces for my using purposes. And you can refer, I repeat this, you can refer to my previous episode for making this. And now I found there is a further improvement. Here is you can see there is wire mesh there, and also there is a lead wire inside it as well as here. And I try to keep this wire mesh, and I will show how to make it. I don't know if it was success. And inside this core wire mesh, there is still keep this lead wire on this side here. So here is 14 lead wire joined together here at the front end, and here the bare lead wire is also joined here, and also another lead wire here that originally inside this mesh wire is joined on the tip. Another end here, and you can see here it's a little bit tricky to twist the 2-piece aluminum foils onto the 14 pieces lead wire. These old pieces are from the original cable. I want to use back all the material, and you need to spread out neatly. You can see here, spread out the whole piece and start twisting them. And if you don't have this or destroyed it already, you can try to use aluminum foil, such as the kitchen aluminum foil, but it is too thin and easily be breaks. And or aluminum tape, but it is too thick, so I better use the original pieces. Here I already make half it and continue the rest here. So you can see the whole piece completed. Although there is a little bit shorter here, and I will fill it with new aluminum foil here, just a little bit. And now I try to pass through this wire mesh and see if it's success or not. So you can see here, it passed through halfway, and here is almost complete. And it's a little bit tricky, and in the course of passing through the mulit-core through the mesh, you need to keep the core wire to be in the twist form. Let's make this twist so that its outer diameter keep the minimum, and this mesh you need to shift it, and in the course of this movement it sometimes stuck on the aluminum foil on its edges. So this mesh, actually this mesh like something like a spring. We need to compress it and make it thick, diameter thicker, and then spread it out all around here. And now it go to here, almost to the end, and you can't expect it to go to the ends because the internal diameter, because of the increased number of core, is larger, so it can't go to this end. I try to use some wire to wrap around this to act as the mesh and complete it, and I think it's a success. And here is only about 2 feet long. Actually you can make it longer. The purpose I make this because in this cable, you can see in my machine, one of the cable, I don't remember which one is it. Here you can see here that the end is not long enough. Actually, you need to go to here and to here. So I complete this by making it on my own, and I will continue to wrap it with this PVC tape. And here this spare lead wire inside here, and connect with the mesh. The tip, the front end connect with the mesh, so they are conducted. And wrapping them with the PVC tape is started. And during the wrapping here, you see is in this direction. It was inclined in an big angle. And also you can use multimeter to check if the inside bare lead wire here, if it's contact with this mesh and also contact with the aluminum foil. I tried this and it's okay. And also in the course of the wrapping this, still keep this cable and the mesh all together in sheet form, so they are straight and also in minimum outside diameter. Here is complete at this end, and here go to this end and almost finish. And I will trim this excess wire out and make it tidy here, and then it's finished. And the wire mesh is not very good because it is not evenly spread, because this is my first attempt, and the original mesh, while it was sticking out from the old cable, is I make it a little bit not very good. There's a little mess actually, and I think in the second attempt I will take caution in the treatment of the mess, wire mesh, and I think the spreading out of this mesh will be more even and better. And this finish for this episode. Thank you for your watching, and if you liked it, please thumb up